Welcome back to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today we are making crispy sabudana moong dal and rice papdi, a light and crunchy snack for tea time. Soak 2 tablespoons of moong dal and 2 tablespoons of sabudana for 30 minutes. This snack is often eaten during fasting days. Soak sabudana well to make it soft. Then wash well. Then blend 5 cloves, a small piece of ginger, and 2 green chillies into a coarse paste. In a bowl, add 1 cup rice flour, half teaspoon salt, and 3 tablespoon butter. Mix well. Sabudana gives quick energy. Moong dal is full of protein. Rice flour makes the papdi crunchy. Add the grinded paste. Soak dal and sabudana. Pour in half cup hot water. Use hot water for smooth dough and make a smooth dough. Rub a little oil and rest it for 20 minutes. Now take a small ball of dough. Place it on plastic wrap. Press with a glass and flatten it. Flatten papdis evenly. Heat oil on medium flame and fry the papdis for 7 to 8 minutes until golden and crispy. Always fry on medium heat. This snack is gluten-free. Moong dal is light and easy to digest. Sabudana keeps you full for a long time, good for both kids and adults. And that's it. Crispy golden sabudana moong dal and rice papdi is ready to enjoy with tea or chutney.